Our first song is original composition, Natural.
Kami kay masugal, bahala ng lisundo, bahala ng mahal. Napuno, kami daw kriminal, kay lagi kuno, kini kay iligal. Ano man, itawong na sa'yo, tanong rama, itawong niya mong iyapiyo. Sinsimilya, Santa Maria, wala mo kahibaw, sa kinikaglasya. Amigulutan na po, relax ragod, di masukot ka maragod. Siya kay God na mahibig sa iyong likod. Ito raning na itong abasin, mahibaw ang sa iba. Luhod niya ka kung sarap makaimo niya. Humanang isang lisod, bisag mahal na ugon, yun ang natural. Ipigit po sa tanan, dagang sakit matambalan. Ako nang ipukungan ng ipawal sa tanan. Tanong raman di mabala ka regalos kinaiyahan. Kami kay masugal, bahala ng lisudo, bahala ng mahal. Kapuno, kami daw kriminal, kay lagi kuno, kini kay iligal. Ngano man, itawong na sa'yo, anong rama, itawong niya mong giyo-giyo. Similia, Santa Maria, wala mo kahibaw, sa kinikaglasya. Sugal ragot kamay ang grasya na mapalipay, bisang lisod ayaw lagi kung sa makaangat. Isang ako, isang ako, pwede masuk sa balay. Kanado natural, basta ikaw na magmahal. Sinsimilya, ikaw ang muwang grasya. Lamig kay kakuyukot, kay sa jaming pampagana. Pwede rapog walang makapaabot rami na. Kay wara nagdalik, relax ragyod ang mga bata. Rhythm! Sugal, bahala ng lisudo, bahala naglayo. Dapuno, kami daw kriminal, kay lagi kuno, kini kay iligal. Ngano man, itawong na sa'yo, ang brahma itawong kinakong giyabiyo. Sinsimilya, Santa Maria, wala kang kahibaw nga sa kinikagala.
Our next song is original po nila mo. Title na ni kay Presyo.
Sabi nagsubok sa kauban, angay ng tawon, mindot na kaayuhang mapasgan. dumadianan Tetasan ang nabangin na asa patilimban Kamay na lang kulang kwarta at tuangan ng kampuan Kalitan ang importansya nga nung lakas kalibutan Kakong dinanas pero na magka-apekto Kitang mga kumplito nga kamot pataog ayo Kamay makayong buhat bakit na misiya dipekto Tapos opinyon ni mabuhat alam na usama yung buhaton Na ingay nakabukan sa desisyon Usama nagsugod sa kaugan ang nagtatawon Hindi ka kaayuhan kami malaumon Pamakulit wapang palasama yung buhaton Na ingay nakabukan sa desisyon Usama nagsugod sa kaugan ang nagtatawon Hindi ka kaayuhan kami malaumon Pamakulit wapang palasama pero ay ayaw kung bumulibog puro negatibo kalipay siguro kakugalingon na libo let's pressure susunod sa buhaton ay kakabukan sa desisyon sabi nagsugod sa kaulan ang nagtawon hindi ka kaayuhan kasi malaumon kung mamakulit wapang palamon
Yeah, our next song is original gawin mo. Title lang Ighay, Verde. Kasama ko ang Robas, Maria, Juana Damo, 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 damo 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 Tawanan ang aking pulutan Maunang na mata Hindi ko nakalimutan Damo ang dahilan Kung bakit masaya Damo rin ang dahilan Ng aking higaan Tunog ang bote Nang ito'y buksan Kami ay napabangon Nakangiti na naman Tuloy ang usapan Habang may sikat Ito ang aming trip Nakakaiba Damo, 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 damo 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 Samahan mo ako ngayong gabi, hindi tayo magdadalawang isip na magsindi. Hindi ka magsisisi, sabay ka lang palagi. Apoy na lang ang kulang at tayo'y maghati-hati. Chira-chira, chira, pinapaganda. Nagsayaw ako sa sobrang saya. Ngunit ba na pati mga kasama, gabi ko'y magmandanalit sa'yo sa Sevilla. Damo, 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 damo. 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 Damo, 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 damo.
Yeah, thank you so much. That was Burden. Our next song is original composition. Title ani kay Truth Behind the Lies.
When I was young, I was brainwashed by the Babylon. Babylon, 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 yeah. When I was young, oh, I was brainwashed by the Babylon, Babylon. Babylon, 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 yeah. Here we go, we are the hip-hop style, yeah. Sending you a message and just listen. Try to understand what's missing, the things that should not happen. But if you open your eyes, you will realize the food we eat is we make a lies. They say it's good, but the truth it is unhealthy. When I was young, oh, I was brainwashed by the Babylon, 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 yeah. When I was young, oh, I was brainwashed by the Babylon, 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 yeah. Babylon tried to make us a fool, make the pets and make us a tool. We will look around the town, that's not cool. Manipulate the people to the truth. In my younger days, I was deceived, working with the Babylon where I cannot do anything that I want them to succeed. On the other people, I can't see. When I was young, oh, I was brainwashed by the Babylon, 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 yeah. When I was young, oh, I was brainwashed by the Babylon, 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 yeah. Let us unite and fight for the right. It is the only way to feel alright. Strive for the good and let us be right. The freedom of our own will come to rise.
Babylon, 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 Babylonia. Truth behind the lies. Our next song is original composition gyud no. Bago rin na mo no nga nasuwat nga kanta no. Title ni kay Yadni.
Musaka.
last song, original yun ni naman, no? Hippie Pretty Girl, to all the pretty girls out there. Sige lang palanay, la-da-da-da-da. Sige lang palanay, sige lang palanay, la-da-da-da-da. Sige lang palanay. And ever since I see your eyes, my heart beats fast and I don't know why. I'm feeling like I'm up above the sky. I'm floating like a balloon away up high. So I play my guitar and I sing with her. When she looks at me, I feel like I'm in the air. I feel so shy, but I think I'm gonna try to talk before I did. Oh shit, do they got a joke? Because we smoke, whoa, with my hippie pretty girl.
My hippie pretty guy.
Because we smoke, whoa, I like her hair the way it curls.
Waves girl.
Because we smoke, whoa, with my hippie pretty girl.
My hippie pretty guy.
Because we smoke, whoa, I think I found a precious girl. Mapungga sige lang palanay, sige lang palanay, sige lang palanay, sige lang palanay. Brother Gabs,
When I say girl, what's your name?
what's your name?
You know I think we are the same.
I think we are the
You
same.
know girl, I can't forget you. Since the first time I met you. Well, I've been searching for so long.
Searching for so long,
And I know we can get along.
and we can't get along.
I'll never waste my chance, cause I finally found the one where I belong.
Because we smoke, whoa, with my hippie pretty girl. Because we smoke, whoa, I like her hair the way it twirls. Because we smoke, whoa, with my hippie pretty girl. Because we smoke, whoa, I think I found a precious girl. And listen, I sige lang palanay, la-da-da-da-da. Relax lang yung ihangay. Huwag na tayo palanay, dihak na gandang laay. Hippie pretty girl, grabe good ka kagwapa. Ipakilahilahig na ka ni mama. Nahibaw ko na masabot ang bunga. Ayaw ka malaka kay pangga, cutie ka. Smoke na kadiri, kita makalanay. Samot may ko sa panahon na ulanay. Karisan na tukoto sa kwati manchis ni day. Utangan ko na tumiyo kay may kakinugay. Because we smoke, whoa,